Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the best cards to equip in Plants vs. Brainrot. So I'm just going to equip the ones that I have, obviously. I'm just going to unequip everything right now. Okay, so SS tier, we have the Doom Bloom, Bloom Ascendant, Resrot Manifestation, Monocrypt Mindset, and Tile Trio. So as you can see, I don't have every one of it. Let's see which one I do have. I think I have Tile Trio, or I don't have that. Oh, I do have that. I have this one. I'm just going to equip one. It says if 3 plants with the same type are on the same tile, they have 15% increased damage. So for instance, I have like these watermelons in the same tile. They'll have more damage there. And then what else? Let's see which one I have. I don't have the monocrop mindset. And I don't have... Okay, let's go to S tier. So S tier, we have Frozen Frenzy, which I have. Meteor Strike, I do have that as well. Petal Storm, I don't have that. Oh, actually, I do have Resroot Manifestation. Let's use that. That's the SS tier one. Okay, so for the S tier, Frozen Frenzy, Meteor Strike, Petal Storm, Frozen Blast. Do I have that? No. And Toxic Cloud and Secret Collection, which I don't have. Then A tier, Whirlwind, Freezing Friendly, Overgrowth, Aura, Bloom Bank, Chain Lightning. B tier is Limited Collection, Godly Collection, Secret Slayer, Solar Burst, Mythic Collection, and the list goes on. Obviously, those are the lower tiers that you kind of don't really want to equip. Let's do the Meteor Strike, and then we have Frozen Frenzy, yes. And one more I'm going to equip. I don't know, maybe Whirlwind? I'm not sure yet, but that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.